Finally made it to Yokohama. This place is so busy. Finally made it to Yokohama, which is like around an hour away from Tokyo. And that's because we are staying in Asakusa. But I heard if you're actually staying in Shinjuku or Shibuya, it probably will take around 30 minutes to come here. But Yokohama is one of the best day trip that you can take outside of Tokyo. Oh, look at this boat. I think you can get inside. There are people lining up there. Oh yeah. I'm really surprised with the amount of activity that you can do in this area. So I saw some people were doing pedal boarding, and also they have this thing called Guidebook, where basically you got into a bus and it drives you across the river, which is like, it does looks very fun. So might do that later, but we'll see. It's too early to get wet right now. Place is super packed. There's a lot of people lining up, and I think it's really famous. I think it's one of the must-do activity when you come here to Yokohama. Basically, in the Noodles Museum, you can either just go in and take a look around, or you can also customize your own cup. And they also have a different activity where you can make your own chicken ramen. Lining out to get our own cup noodles that you can customize. So basically you can draw or color the cup noodles. It sounds like a fun experience that you get to do here. So you have the vending machine here to get the cup here, and it costs 500 yen, so make sure that you bring cash. But now we're lining up because actually after this you can put the noodles and the ingredients that you want into the cup. This place is so busy, it's even hard to move around. It's like everyone's here. We'll probably come here during one of the worst times because of the Golden Week. So there's a lot of people here, and also now it's lunchtime. We have some jian bao, which is like a fried dumpling. And you kind of have to eat outside because there are so many people and there is no place to eat. Quite tough. Ooh. It's good, it's good. Honestly, I feel like Yokohama exceeded my expectations. So When I first came here, I thought it's gonna be like a small city for an escape from Tokyo, which is true. It's like it has a different vibe from Tokyo, but this city is pretty developed. Even the building itself, I really like the architecture here. They have a lot of greenery. The street is really like clean, like the rest of Japan. But yeah, something about it. It's like more chill than Tokyo, and it's really nice to explore around. I'm honestly really surprised that they have this type of ride in the center of the city in Yokohama. But yeah, totally like worth to check out because all the rides looks really fun. An hour later, ended up not riding the roller coaster because everything is like over an hour wait and they decided to just close the waiting line. So I don't know what happened there, but yeah, apparently that happened quite often here. So not the best, but yeah, keep that in mind if you guys are coming here. We just ended up playing some of the games on the side, which was like okay, but yeah, without the roller coaster, this theme park is more suitable for kids. Stop for the day is to get on the air cabin. Looks very fun. I'm really excited. A really good ride. I would highly recommend, and you can take a one-way trip or like both-way trip, but we just take one way. But yeah, I think the entire ride lasts about like 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes, so not the longest, but it was totally worth it.